What's up, everybody? Brian here, back again with another trade recap video. Um, as always, best and worst trades of the day. This one's going to be easy because I only took two trades. And as you can tell by the thumbnail, red day. So both trades were red. Um, and really both trades weren't good. So I guess it's two bad trades, but one of them was better than the other. So I guess that was my best trade of the day, technically. But anyway, let's get into it. Took both of them on MU. Um, as I said in my previous video, I was really going to try and wait for, um, not trade the first at least like 15 minutes. And today I actually took my first trade at, let's call it 10:15. So what, 45 minutes into the market open. Um, there were some other opportunities on some other stocks. I think DraftKings, there was an opportunity, Neo, but um, I just didn't hit the button, and then it was too late. And if I had hit the button, the buy button, it would have been a green day for me. But anyway, let's get into it. So MU, if we take a look at the 1 minute chart, I'll make this bigger. Where is actually let's look at the 5 minute. So MU had a pretty big sell off in the pre or after hours, and then pre-market it was kind of just chopping. And off the open it really sold off. But actually, I'm gonna make this smaller. It's harder to look. Hold on a second while I fix my charts. Where is it? Is it? Yeah. Okay. It takes forever on DAS. Scroll. Um, but it ripped up off the open. This it would have been a perfect Rising Devil trade, but didn't trade. I never trade the first minute, but and then it sold off. And then it had this huge volume bar, almost 1 million shares, with this large lower wick. So I was like, okay, this could be the bottom, and it could start to trend upward because that's a sign of a reversal. But I didn't want to take it, waiting for confirmation. And then right here, after it bounced off this 47.78 level, the daily level that I found, that's really where I should have entered. Again, I didn't do it as soon as it broke this 1 minute candle, new 1 minute high. That's usually what I do, but I didn't because I wasn't too confident about it. And if I had, it ran up. What was this? I would have been at like 47.90, let's call it, and it ran up to 48.36. So it would have been a pretty good move. But anyway, and then it pulled back to the VWAP, and kind of lower volume. I like that. Bounced off the VWAP, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna get in. And then I got in, and then it tested the lows again, but it couldn't break it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna hold. And then after it broke this candle's high right here, 1016, I added into the position. And really, I probably shouldn't have added. I should have waited for a little bit and maybe added when it pulled back here. But anyway, I added it, and it ripped up. Not really ripped up, but it went up about like maybe like quick math, 14 cents. So that would have been a nice move for me. Would have 2R trade if I sold at the top of that, and I was about to, and I was like, no, this thing's gonna, it's gonna go higher. I thought it was, but it didn't. And since I added, I was in more shares than I usually take, so stop loss was tighter, and then I got stopped out, and then eventually it went back up, and then here, after I got stopped out, um, I don't know why this was a bad trade. I decided to get short in it, even though there was no signs that it was gonna go any lower at this point. And then tight stop, got stopped out, and then glad I did because it ripped up. But then after that, it eventually sold off. But yeah, those are the two trades I took today. Pretty frustrating day. I got to work on being more confident with my trading because if I, there's two opportunities today where I was about to enter and I didn't, and then the stock ripped up right after where I would have entered. Um, but yeah, live and you learn. I will be back tomorrow with hopefully a green day. Hopefully some good trades tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Peace out.